Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to work on plotting points on a coordinate plane. Okay, most of us have learned this in the sixth grade, but if you struggled on it before you get to functions, you will want to watch this for some practice. Okay, so we're going to just talk about the direction you move with either your X and Y coordinates. Okay, so listed first is always your X. Your X is this line here, your X axis goes left to right. Right here, left to right. This is your X axis. So I'm going to label this X. Okay. So we have our X axis here. And then our line that goes up and down right here is your Y axis. Okay. In our ordered pairs, our first number is our X and our second number is our Y. So that's how simple this is. Let's look at the first number, 1. We always start here in the middle. This is called our origin. Origin is 0, comma 0. I'll leave that up here for a second. You can pause your screen and then press play when you're done. So now let's start at our origin and let's practice plotting these points. Our first ordered pair for letter A here is 1, comma 3. So let's go to our origin, okay? And since this X is positive 1, we're going to the right one. Positive numbers are over here. You see the number 1? We're right here on that right now. But we're not done yet. Our Y is positive 3. And remember, Y goes up or down, okay? But since it's positive 3, our positive numbers are going up here. So it will be right here. That will be our letter A here. All right, so now let's look at letter B. 4, comma, negative 2. Remember, our 4 here is our first number, so that will be our X. And our second number, which is our Y, will be negative 2. So let's go to our origin here and think about it. The first number we move right or left, that's our X. We have positive 4. Which side of the number line do you see positive numbers on? The right side. So we're going to go 4 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our Y is negative 2. So we have to either go up or down, but we have a negative number. Negative numbers are going down. Okay, so let's move down 2. 1, 2. We're going to put a point there and we're going to label it with the letter B. There we go. So now we have B. And now let's go to letter C. Okay. Our X is negative 1 and our Y is positive 5. So when you're doing this, y'all might not be able to write along with me, but you can be thinking about which way is Miss Brown going to go with this number. Okay. So our X is negative 1. Remember, we always start at the origin at 0. Okay. So think about it. Are we going to go to the right or to the left? It's a negative 1. So we're going to move to the left one. Okay. And now our Y is positive 5. We have to go up or down. Positive numbers are going up. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So this will be our letter C. Negative 1, positive 5. Now let's try letter D. Okay. Think to yourself. See if you can figure out which direction you're going to go. So on your paper, maybe you can write either you're going to go right or left 2. And then you're going to go up or down 3. Which one? Let's see. So we're going to start here at the origin. My first number in my order pair, which is my X, is negative 2. My second number, which is my Y, is negative 3. So let's see here. X is negative 2. Here's my X axis right here. My negative numbers are to the left. So I'm going to move to the left. 1, 2. And then my Y is negative 3. So think, do you go up or down? We are going to go down 3 because it's negative. And then we're going to put our point there and label it with our letter D. All right. So now let's look at letter E. Here's the tricky one when we have X or Y is 0, but it's not really that tricky when you think about it. Let's just label it right quick. We have our X here, which is 0, and we have our Y, which is a positive 2. So let's go ahead and start at 0 here. Our first number is X, and it's 0. So do we do anything for X? No, we don't move right or left. We stay right here. And then our Y is positive 2. Is positive 2 moving up or is it moving down? Positive 2 is moving up. So we'll be right here. This will be our letter E. Okay. So if you think about it like that, you will not have a hard time when you see 0 in your order pair. Let's try one like this. Letter F. X is 2, and this time Y is 0. Okay. So let's go here to our origin. And if our X is positive 2, remember this is our X axis. Positive numbers are on the right. So let's move to the right 2 spaces. Okay. And then our Y is 0. So do we move up or down at all? Nope. Let's put the point right here, and that will be our F. Okay. And lastly, let's look at our G. We have X as -6 and Y as -3. Okay. So let's start at our origin, and our X is -6. So do we move left, right, up, or down for X? If X is a negative number, we are going to move left or right. Okay. And if it's negative, we're going to go over here with the negative numbers. So let's go over 6 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our Y is -3. Remember, for Y, we move up or down. So think about it. If it's negative, which way are you going to move? We are going to move down. And here goes the letter G. Okay. Hopefully this video helped you better understand ordered pairs and how to plot them on a coordinate plane. See you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe.